Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the legendary Toyota 4Runner, an SUV that's been synonymous with adventure and capability for decades. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or simply someone who craves weekend getaways to the great outdoors, the 4Runner has something for everyone. So, buckle up and get ready to explore why this rugged machine continues to reign supreme as the undisputed off-road king. The 4Runner's DNA is pure Toyota, meaning it's built to last. Its body-on-frame construction gives it unmatched strength and rigidity, perfect for tackling even the most challenging terrain. And with a choice of two powerful engines, the 4Runner has the muscle to conquer any obstacle. But it's not just about brute force. The 4Runner is packed with intelligent features that make off-roading a breeze. The available multi-terrain select system adjusts traction and handling based on the terrain you're facing, while the crawl control feature takes the guesswork out of navigating steep inclines and descents. Even though the 4Runner is a hardcore off-roader, it doesn't skimp on comfort. The interior is spacious and well-appointed, with comfortable seating for 5 and plenty of cargo space for all your gear. And with features like a panoramic sunroof, heated seats, and a premium sound system, the 4Runner makes every journey, on or off-road, a truly enjoyable experience. The 4Runner's versatility extends far beyond the beaten path. It's just as at home cruising down the highway as it is navigating a mountain trail. The fuel economy is surprisingly decent for an SUV of its size, and the advanced safety features give you peace of mind wherever you roam. For over 30 years, the Toyota 4Runner has been the go-to vehicle for those who demand the ultimate in off-road capability and everyday practicality. It's a vehicle that's built to take you anywhere, anytime, and in any weather condition. So, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, the Toyota 4Runner is the undisputed choice. With its legendary reputation, rugged construction, and modern features, the 4Runner is more than just a vehicle, it's an invitation to explore the world around you. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel SK Car Updates.